In this video, I will show you how to install the Safeguard Secure Viewer on a Windows PC. This demo will cover the following. Please note, you will need to be connected to the internet in order to do this. An email containing instructions and your license is normally sent from the publisher. If you have not received it, check your junk mail in case it has been diverted there. So first, open your email client. You should have received an email from the publisher. This may have been customized by them. In the Install the LockLizard Viewer area, click on the Windows link. This takes you to the LockLizard website downloads page. Here you will find the latest version of the viewer for all the operating systems we support. Under Windows, you have the option of downloading an executable file or a zip file. In this case, we're going to download the executable. So click on the download button. Right-click on the downloaded file and select Show in Folder. In the folder, right-click on the file and choose Run as Administrator. If the user account control window appears, click Yes. The Safeguard Secure PDF Viewer install window opens. Click Next. Agree to the license agreement. Click Next again. 3 types of install. We will leave it on typical for now. So click Next. It says it's ready to install, so click the Install button. When the install is finished, you have the option to view the product manual. We don't want to do that at this stage, so we just deselect that and then say Finish. Close down the open windows. Back in your email client, go to the same email and go down to the Activate Your License area. Click on the named license file, in this case, Tony Walsh. The license file is again downloaded to the Downloads folder. Click Open File. The license registers and a box appears saying Registration Successful. Click OK. Close the open window. Back in your mail client, if you have received a protected document by email, open that email. Double-click the attached document. In the warning message, click Open. The LockLizard Secure Viewer then opens and displays the protected document. When you have finished viewing documents, close the viewer. Close the email down. To locate the viewer for future use, click on the Windows Start icon. Scroll down to L. Click on LockLizard. You should see the Safeguard Viewer in the list. If you right-click, here you have the option to pin to your Start menu, or if you go to More, you can pin it to the taskbar. Okay. Then in the future, you can run the viewer from the taskbar. So when you're finished, close the viewer.